the place, but he would know that that car's not there. But yeah, so Blair's moving up, so we also start there. So we've got Blair and Justin there making the pass on the number 20 car there. And Justin having a shark down the outside of Blair, and he makes the pass in. Off the drive on the outside. So Justin there having another go around the outside. Still a little bit dusty on the outside. But shows you the oomph that this little car's got. That he can get that all working. It's a pretty awesome car to watch. But Blair's a pretty talented sort of a chap as well. Seen Blair a few times, especially when he had his limited to listen as well. But not a lot of length. John has a little star in there, he's doing pretty awesomely well, but the other 3.8 kilometre engine now is integrated in behind him. Justin had another look at the car there, but still couldn't make the car stick. A lot harder on the outside line. And Rob Wheel there working there the outside line, trying to get past the little starlet as well. But Justin having a tidier line there, and we're getting a little bit untidy, but still managing to hold things together. Goes down the outside again, but still there managing to hold that position. Just having another go down there, and pretty hard neck and neck racing, these two guys. Their little Monza there, it can certainly fly when it's up and going, but the Monza's no fun either. So goes out there trying to get all that nuts flying off there, the outside line around the corner. And so is White Wheel as well. It's a little bit dusty out here from all these guys. But still no taking it away from Blair and Joe. And unfortunately the Toyota slipped up a bit high and let White Wheel through underneath. And Ralph Hollison here following him through, but not unfortunately able to make it last. Looks like Joe's picked up a back through one of the corners, doing a low barker there and hanging out the front. Ralph Hollison got there through underneath the little Toyota. And Joe's just cruising along now. Ralph Hollison is cruising down before White Wheel third.